Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add multiple links in Instagram bio. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account in which you want to add multiple links. Then head over to your profile. Click on edit profile. Once you're in your edit profile option, if you scroll down, you see an option add link. Click on add external link, then click on the URL and paste any URL you want. Suppose you have added this one and click on the tick mark. If you want to add multiple links, just click on the external link again and again add another link you want. Suppose I'm adding this one. And yeah, this is it. Thus, you can add more than one link or multiple links in Instagram bio. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next one.